And time now for business news. We head over to 680 News to check back in with Mike Eppel. Mike, what's the latest?
Well, good morning, Tammy. We're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average coming in at a record high above 22,000 for the first time ever. Apple shares yesterday, all-time record on the quarterly earnings. So the beat goes on Wall Street. Markets up. The TSX comes in almost at break-even for the year. Things stabilizing a little bit on the Canadian markets. Tesla still living the dream. We have the earnings in from the electric car company. Results that were better than expected. Didn't lose as much money. Still, though, as they ramp up production on the Model 3, they are burning through cash, $1 billion+ in spending that Tesla had to do just in the last 3 months. And there's talk they might have to go back to the market to issue some stock. And they might want to do that because their stock is in favor, up by 6% in pre-market trade. And so far this year, up by about 50% plus. Luxury auto segment doing very well right now. BMW in with earnings today, up by 14%. The 5 Series sedan, a big seller for the company. And we've seen this with the luxury auto brands, seeing very strong sales over the past little while. And BMW is certainly leading that segment. Cineplex Entertainment, the latest company to warn about the rapid pace that is planned for the minimum wage increases here in Ontario and Alberta. The CEO of Cineplex, Ellis Jacob, in an interview with Bloomberg, warning that this could lead to either some, well, ticket price increases for going to the movies or more automation, which basically means job cuts. Jacob says that Ontario should consider what they do in the United States, where new employees are still at a lower wage scale than people who have been working for a company for a longer period of time. Loblaw also warned last week about the rapid price increase planned for the minimum wage. And the Hatchimals craze continues. Toronto-based Spin Master Toys coming in with its stock price at a record high. This stock has more than doubled over its 2 years, and Spin Master's earnings in yesterday were very strong, and the company is still seeing strong sales of the Hatchimals. So could it be another Christmas coming up, dare we say, for that trend to continue? Send it back to the studio.